Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use Learn Japanese Speak Japanese that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store in here, and in the search bar type in Learn Japanese, Speak Japanese. So here it is, the first one. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So as you can see, Mondly languages, fun, fast, fluent, easy to learn, practice conversation, so you can practice, achieve fluency fast, and so on. So 5,000 words and phrases, leaderboard, and augment your reality, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that this application is really useful and handy. So speak Japanese faster than you ever imagined with Mondly's proprietary ILA-method. So the secret is to make it simple. Have you ever heard a song in the radio which had you bopping your head and wanting to sing along? This is similar to that song. The first step of learning Japanese is pretty similar. You listen to the sound of native Japanese speakers and repeat some of their words. Mondly's state-of-the-art speech recognition shows you how well you already speak and where you can improve. It's fun and doesn't even feel like learning, especially because Mondly uses your mother language, so you never get lost in translation. And the second step is even easier. Take a break. Your lesson is never more than 9 minutes long, and here is why. Your brain needs a rest to store the new information, and while you're busy with your life, Japanese words and sentences get anchored in your long-term memory. And actually there's a lot more. So it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so here is the interface, and as you can see, you'll need to put some details in here. Select your level. So if you're a beginner, then select the beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So I want to learn Japanese. You can learn other language as well, but in this video we'll focus on Japanese. So I speak English and I want to learn Japanese. My level of experience, let's say intermediate, and then start tutorial. You can sign up if you want to. So there, cannot memorize words. So continue. There is a solution or smart solution. Check out your quick guide to understand how the application works. Quick memorizing words and tests are interchanged in a special sequence that is optimal for memorizing. Okay, let's continue. Daily progress. So let's continue. Choose the topics you are interested, like this one: travel, business, and fun. So this one here, you can skip this part if you want to. And here it is at the restaurant. Konnichiwa, hello. So you'll be able to listen to a conversation between Japanese. So it says here, nomimono wa watashi wa ocha o nomimasu. I drink tea. Watashi wa kohi o nomimasu. I drink coffee. Arigatou gozaimashita. Thank you. Now see how easy it is to learn. And move the word to the correct answer. So kohi should go in here, and juice or juice should go in here. Wine, tea, and so on. Swipe down. So this is kohi for coffee. There. I drink coffee, so watashi wa kohi o nomimasu. Checked. And watashi wa kohi o nomimasu. I drink coffee. So congratulations, lesson completed. As you can see, I have now some graphical progress in here. So let's continue. And to continue, you have to sign up. So let's just not now, and let's continue using it. So this one here is where you can create an account or sign up. And then learning reminders, notification, you can enable or disable this, so you can set a time if you want to. And also sound effects is enabled, you can disable it, it's up to you. Autoplay voice, so enabled by default. Auto continue, so you can customize the settings, enable or disable it. Feedback and rate Mondly Japanese, so you can add more language by tapping this one here, add a new language there. So you can tap this one here, the search bar, the drop down list, and you'll be able to select a language to learn. But for now, let's focus on Japanese, and this one here is where you can see the send a feedback. So daily lessons, Chatbot, start core vocabulary, so just select the categories in here. Lessons, let's try the lesson tabs, and here it is. So there's a lot of lessons to be learned. Let's try to skip the first part and jump to lesson 6. Okay, so you can, by tapping this, you will be able to see the Romaji and the Japanese language. So hello, so it's konnichiwa there, end the lesson, and let's try to go back. So daily lessons is ready. You can continue by tapping the start. This one here, the statistics is where you can see your progress. As you can see, if you're going to create an account, you'll be able to save your progress online. So right now I have completed 20 words, 8 phrases and 1 minute in 1 minute. So okay, leaderboard is where you will be able to see the rankings. So far the first place has gotten to Mr. Wilson, and so on. So you need to sign up first before your name will appear in here. So let's shop is where you can unlock all the contents by buying this app, or by upgrading this to premium version. You'll be able to unlock all the contents, receive unique lessons every day, expand your opportunities, and so on. And also, if you're going to unlock or upgrade to premium version, you won't be able to see any ads, annoying ads. So let's try the Chatbot. Starts, and things you can say. So good morning, so konnichiwa. Okay, tap this one here, and then tap and hold konnichiwa. So you have to allow it. So konnichiwa, and there. So my answer has been processed. So as you may have noticed, it's not letting me record my voice. It's because I have attached a microphone to this phone. So just tap this one here, and then you will be able to record your voice. You'll have a conversation with the chat box, with the AI. So starting from greetings, good morning, and then you'll be able to reply konnichiwa and so on. So let's end the lesson and then try to go to the other categories. This one here, core vocabulary. Alright, so as you can see, the contents, some of the contents are being locked, so you'll have to upgrade to premium version to unlock it. So this one is core vocabulary is locked. Family, so just swipe to the right and you'll be able to see all of the categories. So it's hidden in here. So there's a lot. Colors, fruits, animals, emergency, doctor, bank, business, city tour, restaurant, and so on. So city tour, let's try this one. And as you can see, we're not allowed to open it. So that's how you use this application. It's really handy and useful for beginners and advanced level learners. So make sure that you have this application with you before you travel to Japan, before you visit a relatives or or by touring in Japan, you'll have to have this application with you to help you in your conversation with the Japanese. So I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.